Hi, I'm Paula from On a String and welcome to another episode of the Design Edit. You might remember I sent out a call out on my socials for people to send me pieces they wanted fixed, and I've had a few come back. So let's have a look at the next one, which this one's all about colour placement and how to work a big focal with a beaded rope. So my friend Alex has made this beautiful beaded rope, a chenille stitch rope in pale blue and red, to tie in with the pale blue and red of the beautiful glass piece that she's had. But she said to me she's never worn it. There's something not quite right with it. So I had a look at this, and my first thoughts is there is nothing that actually ties this rope back to this piece other than this silver bail. Now this actually needs a beaded bail. I think she could actually do a really beautiful warp square piece that's in the blue and red that actually feeds back down into this piece here. I think this particular bail is a bit clumsy. It's not really well aligned in terms of the piece, and it just leads down to a really simple silver flower with a little red dot in the bottom of it. I think potentially some flow would be a better fringe or something that came from the bottom. So this one's going to my workbench and I'm going to have a look and see how I can actually fix it. What I did is completely different to that again, but I'm super happy with the result and I think Alex will be too. So let's have a look at what I changed on the ceramic glass focal and chenille beaded rope piece. Okay, you can see here on the original piece in the still image, there's that really awkward looking bail. It's just a silver bail that hung from the piece and a little silver bit at the bottom. But what I did was completely change the look of that bail by putting little beaded flowers on the top of it. I redid the wire that went through and the stop bead, and I'll show you that in a moment, but I actually then attached little blue and red and silver beads all around the top of that flower bail. And what that does is really tie much better back to that particular focal around flowers. The second part of it was actually changing the bottom of the piece. So Alex just had a little simple silver flower at the bottom with the red dot. I actually removed the silver flower because it was a bit distracting and it made it a little bit shorter just to pop that red bead back on the bottom. The silver flower has ended up in the piece here somewhere, one of these beads that I've popped in there. So I didn't lose it entirely, but this piece now has a lot more connectivity with the flowers around the bail, matching the flowers of the focal and in the same colours. I know that this piece has now become far more wearable for Alex, and I'm sure she will love wearing this now with her beautiful beaded rope and flower bail. So if you've got a piece that you think there's something not quite right with it and you think it needs a design edit, why not? Scan the QR code, send me a message, send me the pic. I'm more than happy to have a look at your piece, and if you want to send it to me, I'll even repair it and change it for you as well. So if you're interested, make sure that you send a message to me by that QR code. I'm Paula from On a String, and if you like this video, please make sure that you like and subscribe to see more content from On a String. Until next time, bye for now.